So this is my car racing game, and this is the starting main menu page, and there's a start game and quit game. Let me run it. And if you click start game, then it's gonna oh there. Okay. There's gonna be a countdown, and there's a timer up there. You can't move until
I'm
the
sorry to interrupt. Can you maximize the game
oh
scene? Sorry, here we go.
okay, so this is my racing game, and there's the start game button and the quit game button. If you click start game, there's gonna be a score and a countdown, and once the countdown's over, you can start driving. And this is that's the debuff, so it's gonna make you slower. And this is the buff. So yeah. There's particle effects and background music and sound effects. And once you complete this lap, it's gonna be a summary page. So yeah. So yeah, it's gonna tell you how long you did, and now you can quit or restart.
Hey, awesome.